Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Over the last 2 weeks since the war in Ukraine started, I've been teaching online almost every day. And during that time, I've come to feel that basically the question I always used to ask my students at the start of a class, "How are you?" is essentially redundant. I say the question is redundant because I know the answer. No one's feeling good. No one's going to respond by saying, "Yeah, fine, thanks, I'm good. How about you?" The only real answer is what shade of terrible you're feeling at the moment. As such, I've started asking different questions. I've noticed myself asking, how are you bearing up? How's your head? How are you coping with things? How are you feeling today? As alternative questions. And I know for myself that my own answer to these questions would be something like, I'm more or less managing to keep it together. I'm more or less managing to drag myself through the days. But basically, inside my head, I'm all over the place. If you say that you or something else is all over the place, or all over the shop, which you'll also sometimes hear, what you mean is that you're not organised, you're a bit confused, you're a bit of a mess, you can't think straight, everything's going at 100 miles an hour in a sort of wild, uncontrolled kind of way. You might also say, for example, that the government's handling of the crisis was all over the place. It was very disorganised, very chaotic. If you're watching a sports team and they're performing particularly badly, maybe they're getting beaten 5 or 6-0, the team is all over the place. They're all over the place. They're very disorganised. They're very chaotic. They're not playing or kind of acting in a normal, well-controlled manner. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use all over the place.